Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Caroline for those of you who are new, and in today's video we're going to talk about monthly favorites. I know I am a new channel and YouTube barely 6-7 weeks, but I am very happy and excited to do this for the first time. And before we start, please don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on social media, CV Makeup Lover, and hit the little notification bell so you get notified every time I post videos like this. Without further ado, let's get into this exciting video. Well, I will start. I have tons of products. It was very difficult for me to pick just a few products. I had to, but I tried just to select the best of the best. Let me start with body and face care. This is L'Occitane, and this body lotion, it's beautiful. It makes your skin smooth and silky. Perfect lotion for when you take a shower or just to have it on your counter when you wash your hands. Just use it as a hand cream. Perfect, great. Also the Lalique Lano, this hand cream, this is my second one. Delicious, I love it. I have one of these in the car and this one in my bathroom. Use it every single time. I highly recommend it. The scent, it's a little bit strong, not crazy strong, but a little bit. I really like it. It's not overwhelming strong, but it's very nice, love it. Now moving to the face self-care, let me share the Kate Somerville cleanser. This is an exfoliated foam cleanser, and it's great. It really helps me with my acne because I'm very oily, acne prone. We are in a summer and it's very hot. I need this when I'm starting to show signs of like, oh, you know, I did what I shouldn't. Like I had a little breakout like around this part because I was testing some new skincare, but this, highly recommended, great for that. Now, moving to makeup, this is the hard part because I have two foundations that are absolutely my favorites. Number one, L'Essential from GrowGASM, and this is the new foundation. I really like this foundation. It makes my skin luminous, beautiful. I just really like this foundation. It's great, it's light coverage, but it's buildable, and it makes my skin feel just divine, and it doesn't make me break out. Even though I'm oily skin, this is good for every skin type. I really like it. I also like, excuse me, I'll be right back. Sorry, I had to go get my Ultra Lactane from Chanel. This is a matte foundation, the opposite of this luminous foundation, and it's beautiful. It's not very matte where it will make your skin dry and it will show the fine lines. No, this will last and it's very comfortable on the skin. Now moving to highlighters, this was relatively a new product for me. I did it. This one is the Hollywood Flawless Filter from Charlotte Tilbury. This is what happened with this product. It has been on the market for the longest time. For me, I had some samples and tried it, but I didn't like it. I was using the wrong color and using it on the wrong way. I have oily skin like I mentioned before, and I thought, oh, well, you know, if I apply it on my whole face, oh, it's gonna look great. No, it did not look right. But if I apply it on the highest points of my face and on this area, it's great. If you don't want to do anything, just foundation, this product, little bit of powder, mascara, lip gloss, you will set. It will make you look young and fresh with a luminous skin, even if you use a matte foundation like this one, which I highly recommend. Now I also have the GlOWGASM Beauty Light one. Look how much I have used. This much I have used of this product. It's, look at this, it's kind of a mess, but it's so beautiful and it really shows on my skin. Very nice. I love the GlOWGASM line from Charlotte Tilbury. Now the start of the show and what I'm wearing now, the GlOWGASM palette. Please don't look that it's almost like, I think I will soon hit pan and I will need to get a backup of this product because it's perfect for the summer. I really like it. And the reason why I am a big fan of this type of palette is because they are complete. When you travel, you want a big mirror, you want your contour, your highlighter, and your blush. You want everything in one palette because it saves space, it saves time, and the colors are very friendly. They go with everything. What else can you ask? I love it. I highly recommend it. Now, moving to eyes. Oh wow. It wasn't really a tough decision, but I had to decide on how many eyeshadow palettes do I show. I don't want to overwhelm you, and please do not think you have to get it all. But if you have to get just one product, actually there's two that I would recommend that I think you should. And that is the Chanel Le Beige Les Indispensable. This palette, if I had to choose one palette just one, this would be it. It has all the colors you need to go on vacation, to do a daytime look, to complement it with other eyeshadows. For nighttime, for a smoky look, this is it. I hope that Chanel brings it and again as part of their collection, because it's a limited edition palette and it's beautiful. It should be part of the standard Chanel collection. This has been wonderful, absolutely a wonderful product. Another product I want to mention that kind of escaped me when I was discussing my complexion was the Le Beige Water Fresh Tint. This is a great product, and I don't think this is the part of the Le Beige collection for the summer, and I don't think it's limited edition. It's great, very easy to blend alone or with other products. It's beautiful, so fresh. Sometimes what I do is that I would just wear this product, a little bit of my beige powder, and that's it to be home. I love it. It's great. Really wonderful. Now I will have to show these two eyeshadows from Dior, and we're talking about Terra and Sienna, both, and I couldn't pick either or because they're both beautiful and I have used them to death. I know it doesn't look like, but these are like hard pants and just gorgeous colors for the summer. It has my kind of colors. They are terracotta, browns, shimmeries. They're just so beautiful and easy to use. Now, before we move to the next items, we can't do this favorite month without my Tom Ford collection. And these are the new eyeshadows from Tom Ford. Let me show you. Double Indemnity. I made videos of all of these products I'm showing you. I'm gonna link those videos down below on the description box for your convenience, and you can see how I use them. This is the beautiful Double Indemnity. It's perfect for a night out, a smoky eye, and this is the famous Suspicious. Beautiful colors, and you can use them alone or combine them with other eyeshadows. Then we have Body Heat. It's absolutely to die for, these colors. And these eyeshadows are in the wet formula, which is one of my favorites. I can say good enough things about them. Of course, we know that Tom Ford is very luxurious, and I have never finished one of his eyeshadow palettes or the Chanel eyeshadows, because they really are meant to last, and a little bit goes a long way. Now, moving to one more thing about Chanel, I will show you the New Moon, and this one is the cream eyeshadow. I love it. It's absolutely beautiful. I made a video with the Beige palette there. And in there I use this palette, this eyeshadow, and combine it with the beautiful Beige palette. Now I have to mention these Chanel lipsticks, and these are the new Coco Rouge. They are beautiful, very luscious, very soft. Here we have these colors. I love them. I got 4 colors, 4 different tones, and they're very, very fresh. This is the new formula. I really like it. Then we have the Air Flash Radiant Setting Spray from Dior, and this one is in color medium to dark. I love it. Before, I was not a big fan of using setting spray, but this one and the MAC are the ones I use now, but mostly this one because it's so fresh and so light, and it really makes my makeup last. Beautiful. Now let me show you also the Rose Gold. This one is from Charlotte Tilbury. The cream eyeshadow. Sometimes ago it was out of stock for a while. She brought it back. This is how it looks, and that is what I'm using on my eyes now. I love it, love it, love it. Now I can't move without these 2 things, these 3 items that you see me use over and over on my videos, and that is my Giorgio Armani concealer, and this one is in 8.75. This concealer is my holy grail. Chanel used to be my holy grail, but this one is a beautiful concealer, super easy. It won't crease under my eyes, it won't change, oxidize, easy to blend, perfect. I really like it. And this new mascara from Tom Ford, part of my collection. She just joined the team. Great. The one, it's not my favorite because it's a little bit too big for my eyes, but it's great. It shows my non-existent eyelashes. It shows like they have come from the shadows. Voila, they're here. I don't know if you guys can see it because the camera, I don't know, but they're there. I really like that mascara. Then we have Hourglass, and it's a nice powder. I use that powder mostly under my eyes, and it's very nice. I really like it. I've been using it non-stop along with my Chanel and Laura Mercier, which are in Charlotte Tilbury. Those are the 3 powders that I use all the time. Charlotte Tilbury mostly under my eyes. It will help my concealer without changing the color. It's a very nice powder. Now let me share with you other things. I know I have so many items, but I wanted to give you a brief because these are items that I caught myself like reaching over and over again, and I use all of my makeup. This Crayon from Chanel, the Stylo Ombre et Contour are great. The purple to make combinations. It's beautiful. I got this kind of like metallic color. They are a must have. Here we have the 3 colors. I got this this one I got in color 222 just for my eyelids, so I can use it as a base. Then we have my Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks. I know they just came out, but they have to be included in this haul because, and this favorite, because they are a must-have. They are beautiful. I just ordered these 3 colors because I didn't have them. I will show you the colors. This one is Red Hot Susan. Let me wipe my hand from the eyeshadow sticks. It's beautiful, kind of orangey color. This is Red Hot Susan and the cheetah, because I didn't have all the cases. These ones are refillables, interchangeable, but I didn't, and this color is Patsy Red. This is more of a blue red, and I thought I have to get these colors. And this one is Angel Alessandra. There they are. Now for blush, I have 2 blush. This one is from Claude de Pot, how do you pronounce it? Yeah, Claude de Pot. And it's like a pinkish color, cream blush, beautiful. And I have this one from Chanel, and I love it. This is 320 Rouge Profonde, and it's like this reddish orange, and I use it for browns, for reds, for orange colors, and it's beautiful color right here. And this is the cream blush. I really like everything that I have shown you, and these are products that I gravitate over and over again. I buy a lot of makeup. I love makeup. That's why I opened this channel, so I could share my love for makeup. But this so far made it to the list for at least for this month. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you did, I hope that you can at least pick 1 item or 2 that you can pick for yourself for your makeup routine. Go get it. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you on my next video. Thanks for watching.